Alright, this is my 2018 fireworks stash part 2. Get going, go over everything here. Got a pack of the Cobra Kai shells. Love those shells. Nice big fat breaks. Got 2 of these strings of firecrackers here. These things are awesome. Real nice and loud. Check out how big these guys are. Awesome loud firecrackers. Then we got a box of the Pyro Addict shells. We got this big frickin' wheel here. That thing is awesome. I'm looking forward to seeing that. Got a bunch of Vampire Killer rockets there. Then we got a Blood Moon Rising. Got Romantic Aliens. 100 shots. Then we got 2 Orgasmic Thunders. Smartass. And we got 5 of the God of Thunder from Holy Fook. Real nice one there. And we got Solar Max from Universal, 100 shots. And that bad boy. And we got Wonder of Galaxy. Clown brand, another 100 shot bad boy there. And then we got the Orbitron from Grand Patriot. It's a pretty cool one there. Got a nice good sized wheel in the middle, and then these 4 shots are all really nice mines. Looking forward to checking that out. So that is the part 2 to my 2018 fireworks stash. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video. I'm out.